Hi guys, Citizen Pixels here, and today I wanna introduce you this night mate in 6 puzzle. So in this puzzle there is only one solution by a knight checkmate pattern here. Can you find it? Well, let's see. So we have these two knights here, and the goal is to checkmate this king. Well, we start off by playing the move knight to c2, check. King forcefully moves into b5, knight into c3, takes the bishop, check. King forcefully moves into a6, knight to b4, check. King forcefully moves to a7. Now knight to b5, check. King forcefully moves into b8, and there is mate in 2 here. Can you find it? Well, it's knight to a6, king to c8, and there goes the mate, knight a7. And that is how we solve the first puzzle. Now here is the second puzzle. Well, this time we have a pass pawn in promotion here, while black has the complete pieces. So in this puzzle, white promotes a7 into a knight, check. King moves to c6, knight a7, check. King to d5, check, check. King to d4, check. King to e3, check. King to e2, check. King to f1, check. King to g1, and then here's the mate, knight into e2. Is the puzzle simple? And finally, we got the final puzzle, and this time we have 4 knights instead of 2, and also got this bishop here. In this puzzle, there is a double check, which forces the king to move forward into checkmate. In this position, white only has one good move, but also the best. It's knight to g3, double check. Well, the pawn can take the bishop because the knight is also checking the king. So king moves into a poised square, h2, knight f1, check. King moves, and what now? It's bishop to g2, check. King moves, knight f3, check. King moves, knight g3, check. King moves, knight h4, check. Now the king has 2 options. If he goes into f6, knight h5, check. King moves, and then bishop into d5, checkmate. But if king goes here, bishop into d5, check, and then knight to h5, checkmate. Guys, please like and subscribe, because this took me some hours to make these 3 puzzles. Citizen Pixels out. Bye.